Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy the Stock Dude back on the prowl again. In this one, I got three hot ones for you. Three companies that I feel like the stock price will be going up like hot air balloons. Now the first one, believe it or not, is a penny stock that trades for under $2 per share. But not for long though. The second stock is a company that's going to turn the automobile industry upside down with their technology. And the third stock, probably my favorite, has a potential to go up in price 10 times higher than it is right now. And it's a biotech company that's doing big things, baby. So if you want to know what I'm doing first thing Monday morning, stay tuned. Let's get started, man. All right, let's get this thing rolling. The first company we're going to start with goes by the name of Borks Technology Incorporated. Ticker symbol BRQS. And as I said earlier, this stock is trading at under $2 per share, actually coming in at $1.33 per share at the time of the video. And just to give you an idea what Borks Technologies is all about. Borks Technologies Incorporated, through its subsidiaries, provides development services, software solutions, and products for Android-based smartphone connected devices in China, India, and also in the United States. Now, just to give you guys an idea, these guys are the makers and the distributors of smartphones and also smartphone accessories. And they have stores located in China, India, and the United States. Think about it. Those are the three biggest economies pretty much in the world. China, India, and the United States. Also, those are the three most populated countries in the world. In that order: China, India, and the United States. Now, just to give you guys an idea, got some notes right here. The population of China is over 1.4 billion. The population of India is over 1.3 billion. Now the population of the United States is over 330 million. But the United States is on the rich side per person as far as household incomes is concerned. So what we don't have in people and in population, we make up by spending more money. So if they got the three top countries for populations on lock as far as having the ability to sell their smartphones and smartphone accessories, Borks Technology is going to try to sell phones to everybody because they got three of the top dogs in countries that's heavily populated where they have stores and ability to sell those phones. So now I'm going to go to the chart just to give you an idea what we're looking at. Now right off the bat, like I always say, I am not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. So anything you hear, make sure you do your own due diligence and do your own research. But one thing I can tell you that I see in this chart that I like, I see a big green candle that happened on Friday's trading session. Now this candle is significant because it comes in with a volume of 36,833 shares bought and or sold on Friday. So that's a lot of volume and a potential lot of upward pressure on that stock. And something else I noticed, this stock traded, the low price of this stock came in at just over $1. The low price was $1.04. There's something about that $1 price level. Once a stock breaks that $1 price level, a lot of times if it does that on a high volume, it's a good chance that the stock can continue to go higher. Now, for those of you that's been looking at the stock market here lately, stocks are going up, and they're going up fast, and actually they're going up too much at once. But being that you have been notified by the stock dude, you have an opportunity to get into this stock before it gets overpriced. And if stock price is coming in at only $1.33 per share with a heavy volume. Now, for the most part, that is a bullish move. In other words, it's going up. So if you get a chance and you have the ability to do so, grab you 1,000 shares of Borks Technologies Incorporated, because 1,000 shares can do a lot of damage. And this price is just clearing that $1 threshold, and it held and bounced off of that $1 threshold, which is a bullish move for Borks Technologies. Now, coming in at number 2, the stock that I told you guys that was going to turn the auto industry on its head. It goes by the name of Nano Dimension Limited. Now, just to give you an idea what Nano is about, let me put in their ticker symbol and read you a little bit of their profile. And it's going to explain a little bit to you about what they are all about. It says Nano Dimension Limited, together with its subsidiaries, provides additive electronics in Israel. Israel? I know a guy that I call my Lord and Savior that was born in Israel. So you know, me as a man of God is going to be all over a stock that's based out of Israel. Anyway, it's based out of Israel and is also located internationally. Its flagship product is the proprietary Dragonfly Lights Out digital manufacturing system, a precision system that produces professional multi-layer circuit boards, radio frequency antennas, sensors, conductive geometries, and molded connected devices for phototyping through custom additive manufacturing. What in the world does all of that mean, stock dude? Let me tell you what that's all about. Their product is called Nano Technology. Now this is going to be huge for the auto industry, because what is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is a process that changes the atomic and molecular structure of things like metal, rubber, and plastic. Now that is huge, because what nanotechnology is able to do, it can actually make the paint on a car or truck shinier, brighter, and it can also make it last longer. Think about it. You got millions of people that spend millions of dollars trying to keep their paint job bright, shiny, and colorful. Nanotechnology and this company, Nano Dimensions Limited, can help you with that. Also, they have a process in which they can enhance the quality of rubber. Now, why is that important? Because tires are made of rubber. So they can enhance rubber to actually make the tires grip and hold the road better. So in other words, they can make cars safer. You believe that, man? Gosh almighty. So looking at the chart, Nano Dimension Limited is in a very strong uptrend. I see what I like. My volume came in heavy at the end of September. Nice volume. And since then, this stock has been trading higher and higher. Now, right now, Nano Dimension Limited is trading at $9.13 per share. And on Friday, we had almost, not quite, but almost average volume was met. Average volume is 25.8 million. On Friday, we came in at 24 million plus. So looking at this chart, it tells me that this uptrend is starting to kind of run out of a little steam. But going forward over the long haul, I think if you let this stock pull back in price, let it come down a little bit, possibly around this $8 to $8.25 range, if you're able to do it, grab yourself 1,000, grab yourself 500, grab yourself 100. If you can't do no more, then just grab yourself 10 shares of Nano Dimension Limited out of Israel. Same place Jesus from, man. This right here is going higher. I'm just trying to tell you, it's going higher. Now, once again, I said it's in an uptrend. And what I like about this, it's a highly liquid stock. Now, what that means is the ease to get into the stock is good and easy. And when it's time for you to get your money, your profit, the ease to get out of the stock is good and easy because it's a lot of volume. Shares bought, shares sold. So it's easy to get in and out. And also, I forgot to mention that ARK Investment Group are heavily invested in Nano Dimension Limited. Now, ARK Investment Group, for those that don't know, is kind of ran and headed by Kathy Wood. This lady is a wizard when it comes to investments, getting in at an early price before the price spikes and goes up like hot air balloons. So if Kathy Wood from ARK Invest is interested in Nano Dimension Limited, don't you think that you ought to be as well? I think so, because I'm going to grab mine. Trust that when I tell you. Before I forget, just want to remind you, if this is your first time coming to this channel, make sure that you please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way when the next hot stock video come out from your boy the Stock Dude, you'll be sure not to miss it. Now, without further ado, the third stock, my favorite, the biotech company that goes by the name of BioNano Genomics. This one right here. Now, this stock has been on a tear here lately. Look at this performance for the year. This stock has gone up almost 300% since January. Gosh almighty, last year this stock was 300% cheaper than it is right now. Now, BioNano Genomics comes in at a price of $4.70. Now I'm looking at my notes. BioGenomics Incorporated is a biotech company that deals with gene editing. Now what that is the ability to modify and change DNA. I don't think you heard me. They are able to modify and change DNA molecules in the human body. They're under trial right now. And check this out. If they are successful in doing this, they could possibly solve and cure things like cancer, also like blindness. They can change the deficient molecules in your body and basically erase blindness and cure cancer. Now, I gotta tell you, this is a small company. Price is only $4.70. So with a small company, I gotta tell you that there are risks. Just like with a large company, there are risks for them as well. But right here, BioNano Genomics is only $4.70 per share. The EPS is expected to grow. Next year, the earnings per share is expected to grow almost 50%. Now, right now, I gotta warn you, this company is spending a lot of money, but they're not just throwing it away, they're spending it on research. So I gotta warn you what possibly could happen. Actually, it'll be a good thing for you because you're not already invested. Right now, the price is kind of high. I would suggest letting this price come down to anywhere between $3.50 down to $3 a share. If you can get in lower than that, get it, man. I'm telling you. I ain't telling you what I heard. I'm telling you what I know. It's going up. But being that they are going through cash right now, and they're using cash for research and also trying to grow the company, they probably, not guaranteed, but they probably will do what's known as a stock offering. Now, stock offering is basically when the company basically dilutes the stock price and causes it to go down. When they do that, they insert a lot of shares of stock in the marketplace. They sell those shares to new investors, and what they do is recoup that money and put back into the company to help grow the company and do further research. But in this case, when that price comes down for a stock offering, which they probably will do, a public offering, they probably gonna do it because they need the money for that research, I know for a fact. But when they do that and you see that price get anywhere near $3.50 down to $3 a share, buy yourself 1,000 shares of BioNano Genomics. I'm the one known as the stock dude, and your boy will holler at you later. Peace.